Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 190. Dear Sir, I brought your letter before the Board of Directors at their meeting yesterday, but after some discussion, they were obliged to postpone further consideration of the matter until the next directors meeting, which will be held on the last Tuesday afternoon of this month. Full stop. I think the directors would be glad if you would kindly set forth your proposals more fully than is done in your letter. First off, the first cost of the material is very low, but the question of the additional cost of preparing it for sale, and the additional expense which will probably be incurred in advertising it is sure to be taken into consideration by the directors, and if they had your estimate of what the total expenditure is likely to amount to, it would no doubt help them in coming to a decision. Full stop. If you will make an appointment for some day next week, I shall be glad to see you, and it is just possible that I may be able to give you some further particulars. Full stop. Meanwhile, I have the pleasure to enclose copy of the director's report published last month. Full stop. Yours faithfully. Full stop.